Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject general science. Our today's topic is nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion. Yesterday we had discussed nuclear fission reaction. Nuclear fusion reaction is just the opposite of nuclear fission reaction. That means opposite of the nuclear fission reaction occurs in the fusion process. The word fusion means to join or to combine. That means in this process, joining or combination of nuclei occur to form bigger nucleus. So nuclear fusion is the process in which two nuclei of lighter elements like that of hydrogen, they combine to form a heavy nucleus like that of helium. So process yath manz the nuclei of lighter elements or atoms combine to form a bigger nucleus. For example, when two nuclei of hydrogen atoms combine together, they form a heavy nucleus like that of helium. A tremendous amount of energy is released during the fission process. Fusion process dora hasa tremendous amount of energy produced gasa. One thing we know that the nuclei of atoms, they are positively charged. Nuclei of atoms are positively charged asa. So when two nuclei are brought together, it is nucleus ano akikis nazdik, they repel each other. Repel due to similar charge, because they have similar charge, because they are positively charged. Due to this, a lot of initial heat and pressure are required to force the lighter nuclei to fuse together to form a bigger nucleus. Am khatra hasa lot of temperature, lot of heat and high pressure zarurat pewan to force nazdik ana khatra, to force the lighter nuclei to fuse together. Am ralana khatra hasa variya high energy and high pressure pewan zarurat to fuse them together to form a bigger nucleus. So we can say that nuclear fusion, it is carried out by heating the lighter nuclei to extremely high temperatures. And under extremely high pressures. That means nuclear fusion reaction, it requires two things. It requires very high temperature and very high pressure. When the nuclei of two lighter atoms, when they combine together, there occurs some loss of mass during the fusion process, which appears as a tremendous amount of energy. That means in the fusion process, a tremendous amount of energy. Where does this come from? It comes from the mass. That means during the fusion process, some of the mass of nuclei, it is converted into energy. Mass defect gasa, mass loss gasa, mass distraction gasa. That mass loss, mass gasa, mass is lost in energy. It is converted into energy. For example, when deuterium atoms, heavy atoms of hydrogen, mass number 2, when they are heated to an extremely high temperature under extremely high pressure, then the two deuterium atoms combine together to form a heavy nucleus of helium, and also a neutron is released. During this fusion process, during the fusion of deuterium atoms, a tremendous amount of energy is released in the fusion process. This can be represented as H21 plus H21 deuterium. Deuterium is an isotope of hydrogen having mass number 2. When the nuclei of two deuterium atoms, they combine together, they fuse together, what happens? They form a bigger nuclei, helium, having mass number 3, atomic number 2, and also during this process, one neutron is released, and with the liberation of tremendous amount of energy. So we can say that a nuclear fusion process, it is just the opposite of fission process. That means energy, magar you see energy produced in fusion, it is much more than that produced in fission. Fusion's man's more energy gasa produce as compared to that in a nuclear fission. Where you see energy produced during fusion, it has not been controlled so far. Energy is produced has control आमज करना कहीं. Fusion, it could not be used for generating electricity. It could not be used for generating electricity. You see formation of sun in sun fusion reaction occurs.